A health screening test is a tool used to identify potential health risks or concerns in people. It usually consists of questions about a person's medical history, current health status, and lifestyle habits. Health screening tests can help individuals make informed decisions about their health by detecting early signs of illness or disease. This test is vital to preventative healthcare because it allows people to take proactive steps to maintain their health and well-being. Individuals can prevent the development of more serious health conditions by identifying potential health risks or concerns early on. Individuals can also use health screening tests to establish a baseline for their health status, track changes in their health over time, and make informed decisions about their healthcare options. Here are some examples of when you might want to use a health screening test. When you want to identify potential health risks or concerns, when you want to make informed health decisions, when you want to establish a baseline for your health status, when you want to track changes in your health over time, and when you want to evaluate your overall health and wellness. Anyone can use our printable health screening tests. This could be individuals who want to take charge of their own health, healthcare providers who want to evaluate their patients' health risks, employers who want to promote a healthy workforce, and health coaches who want to work with the clients to identify potential health risks. To use our health screening test, follow these steps. Download the health screening test off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Next, after downloading the health screening test, you can start by filling out the form with your personal information. And based on your current health status and medical history, answer each question in the tables marking yes or no. The questions are sectioned into medical history, cardiovascular risks, and recent health problems or situations. Next, take some time after you have finished the health screening test to go over the results. Determine potential health risks or concerns that may need further evaluation or medical intervention. Lastly, consider scheduling a thorough medical examination or follow-up appointment with a qualified healthcare provider to assess any identified risks or concerns. Here is a sample of a health screening test on our Carepatron platform. To find our health screening test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our templates section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.